Hello guys, in this video we'll learn how to add unit test in Rust. Now as the name suggests, a unit test helps us test each unit of our program and also assures that based on certain input we receive the output which is expected and our unit or the function or program works as per our requirements. So unit test also helps you in test driven development. So let's understand how can we add unit test in Rust. Now let's say I have a module here and the method inside is just an addition method which takes two operand, adds them and return the result. You can quickly add it because we already know how to add a function and module in this series. Then I will add a test file in the naming convention that is encouraged or followed in Rust, which is the name same as your module, which is operation, and then test.rs. Once we add this file, we have to add mod test, let's say we name it, and then have to explicitly tell our compiler only compile this module if we are running tests. So we have to add an attribute which is cfg tests. Now this tells our compiler to only compile this if we are running test command, cargo test or the test command. Now let's add tests. So we'll say fn, let's say first we want to test for equality, so we'll test equal, and here we have to tell the compiler that okay, this is a test, so we'll say test. Now this tells our compiler that this is a test, and as you can see, as soon as we added it we get a run button as well. If I remove it, it's gone. Now once we add this, so let's add assert. First we'll use assert equal. This helps you compare your function's result with the output that you are expecting. So our function is add, and let's use it. So we'll say use operation add, and here add. Okay, let's remove this. Now our input is 1 comma 3 and we are expecting output of 4. First test we added. Now let's run it. So how we'll run it is cargo test dash dash quit. There you go, our first test run, and the result is okay. Now let's say if we want to add more tests, we can add in the same. For the equality, let's say you can also add for not equality and different other here, but again we'll follow the best practices. So let's just add for equality here, let's say 4, and we'll say it's this, the output should be 7. Okay, there you go. So our test is 1. Inside there are two asserts, so it runs and succeeds. Now let's add a test for not equality. So we'll just copy this and we'll say ne, and here we'll say assert ne, assert ne, and first let's run as it is. There you can see our test ne fails, as you can see. Okay, left is not equal to right because left is 4, so it's not expected and it's failed. So because both are same, left and right, and it's not equal, actually it's equal. So let's say if we put 7 here, now let's run. Now this one will fail because as you can see 7 not equal to 7, it's actually equal. So let's say if we add 8 here and now run. So there you go, our both test succeeds, and that's how you add basically unit test in Rust and run it. I hope you guys understand, and I'll catch you guys in the next video with another interesting topic. Thank you for watching.